we just did your project requirements. Let's read them real quick. Just the bold ones.
Create project scope,
Good.
identify
And watch, I will even number them.
benefit unhoused people, identify and create promote materials to recruit stakeholders.
Stakeholders. What's number 4? Oops.
Acquire professional mentors.
Good.
Create a training program.
We'll put mentors in. I like that.
And then recruit and train trainees.
Good.
And then acquire hygiene product donations.
Acquire.
Giving out hygiene products. Thanks stakeholders who help.
Good. And we'll say give out.
That's probably gonna take like 2 months.
Good. And then 9 is that. And why are you doing this?
To teach kids to help people,
You want to change that word? Unhoused?
to teach kids to help unhoused people the way she did, so she could create bigger impact. And
Citlaly did.
And also, so our next generation will also know how to help unhoused people.
And I'm going to print this for you and your mom. This is now your whole project is mapped out.